Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm going to unbox this today. I took the top off it because it got my address written very largely over the top, so it was a bit too much to cover up. Looks like I've gone a bit far with the scissors. This is what I won in a giveaway on Julie's Nails, so I thought I'd unbox it, and what I'll do is I'll leave her link to her channel pinned in the comments below if you want to go over and have a look. Okay, well, it's very exciting, isn't it? Shall we tip it out? Whatever not. Right, let's put that over there a moment. Ooh, nice hollow. That's bright, isn't it? I presume this is, let's see if I can pull the edge up. Yeah, I thought it was. It's you can cut it, so it's like little vinyl, holographic, which is quite nice to put on some nails. Get that crease out of it, what I've just left in there. Doozy there. That is really nice. Oh my goodness, now I've put it down on the, it's actually, look at the rainbow colours as it goes. That's really bright. Right, I'm going to move some of this over so it's not all underneath where I'm doing what I'm doing. Oh, it's so exciting. I never ever win anything. So to win something, in fact I've won two things this week. I need scissors because I can't undo these packets. I also won something on Daily Charm on Instagram. Oh, he's cute. Oh, wicked. So we've got some foils with Trick or Treat on and some eyeballs. Little pumpkins, ghosts. These are quite nice actually. I was going to buy some of these off Glitter Planet. I'm glad I didn't then. Cool. Long way. Get with it. That's quite cute. Lovely. Right, I'm not going to open these up, but that looks like pigment, like chromes. There's two of those. I think that's something different in that one. Yeah, different in that one. So it looks like we've got like a yellowy one, and that looks almost like coral coloured peach. I haven't got either of those colours, which is good. Ooh, glitter. We like glitter. I say we, I mean me. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. Anything that sparkles is my friend. Another one. Ooh. Ooh. Look how sparkly that is. Oh, that's nice. I don't know if you can pick that up. That is really nice. Oh, it's just gone everywhere. I hate waste. I must do my floor. I need to hoover the floor. It looks terrible. Underneath my chair is just full of glitter. Oh, I've never seen tubs like this before. It's like my dogs are scrapping downstairs. That's pretty. Got a lot of hollow in there. It looks like almost like a rose gold colour. I like that. Oh, Look, it's a combination of my favourite colours, green and blue. You want to try to open this one. I'm struggling. I won't be opening that one. I have to get Richard to do that one. That's too tight for me. But that is hollow again. Lovely. Oh, we've got another pigment here. Looks like a blue. Very, very light blue. Shall we open it? Just to have a look, being as we haven't opened the other ones. I have got quite a few like chromes and stuff, but I just never seem to use them, and I should, because I absolutely love them. I've used them on myself and on my mum, but I never just seem to use them in my videos, and I should do. So that's like a powder blue type. I'll have to have a look what she does with hers. That's a nice pink. Pinky. Cool. You can see the size of the pieces in there. Anything glitter, I love. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a nice colour. Sort of like blue and silver together, I would say. Lovely. Okie dokie. Oh, are they like... I don't know if it's a decal or a sticker. I think it might be a sticker. I thought they were decals, but they're not. Ah, and they're textured as well. Wow. I like those. That's something I've never done before. Not textured ones anyway. Ah, so these are the Dior. What's that one? That one's the same. Yeah, Christian Dior stickers. Decals. Whatever they are. Are they decals? Yes, they are. Cool. We like those. What is that one? VL. I don't know what that one is, but I know it's one of those names, but I don't know what that one is. I'm not into names and whatnot, so I don't know what it is. So if you know, please let me know. Right, I'm moving all that out of the way because this one I want to tip out. So sorry, my dog's messing around in the background. I've got the door open because there's nobody here. So I'm trying to listen out to what they're doing because they're little pickles at the moment. Right. Let's manoeuvre stuff around. Oh my god, look at that. Let me look how cool that is. Let's see if I can get my dog. I love that. I love it. Oh, look, there's a bluey green one. Oh, wow. Oh my god, I love it. What else can I pick out? Oh, there's another one. Oh my god, there's a few. Oh, I didn't That's the last of them ones. That's so cool. Oh, I love them. Right, let me get that back down to the bottom. Oh, not what I want to do. That's pretty. Right, we've got quite a few of these little, oh, they're absolutely lovely. These little roses. I love them. I'm not going to pick them all up because there's a lot. I love anything like this. But that's so cool. It's like all the things, if you go on Julie's channel, all the things she puts on her nails are all like this. Like really posh looking jewels and stuff. Wow, that's the biggest jewel I've got with a pointy back. That's so pretty. And there's a square one. Teardrop shape. It's in pink as well. It's like these little jewels. Got gold around them. There's these pointy backs, which are, I think they call them horse eye or whatever they're called. I don't know. So nice. Oh, there's blue, like opal coloured ones as well. I don't know if you can see that from there. And then, oh wow. Look how cool they are. Let's see if I can get it to focus on it. Oh, my camera's SH1T. It is. But basically they're little pink bows with lots of clear crystals on them. Oh, I'm so chuffed with this. I love it. Love, 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 love. Got lots of these little golden balls, basically. Balls. Oh, I love them. Love, love, love. I've not got anything in that shape either. Oh, I'm well chuffed with that. Right, I'm going to find somewhere to put all these bits and pieces now. Right, thank you ever so much, Julie. Absolutely, I love everything that you've sent. I'm chuffed to bits. I am. I'm going to put all of this away, and I will leave Julie's channel link in the description box and the comment section pinned to the top. Okay, so pop over to her channel and have a nosy. Alright, bye.